Hi everybody, it's Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading, and this is the free video for Tuesday, October 8th, 2019. The markets are very sensitive to news. Just looking at some of the recent announcements here. Before we do that, let's just actually take a look at the pattern of the day. We had a gap lower and then a follow through to the downside, putting in a low of the day, initially low of the morning at around 11:30. Then we staged this pretty nice reversal, breaking above the high traded price of the day, and then right around 3 o'clock we start to break down. And I think what happened was we got an overabundance of Chinese related issues. First of all, the U.S.-China trade talks, things were more hopeful last week, and talk earlier yesterday about possibly just a limited amount of agreement from the trade talks this week, primarily because the Chinese don't want to do too much in terms of agreement, primarily because of issues, political issues here in the United States. But later on today, we have U.S. putting on visa restrictions on Chinese officials. Trump blacklisting Chinese companies. That was yesterday. And then just a reaction from China. China strongly urges U.S. to remove sanctions and stop accusing it of human rights violations. So this is compounded fears in the market. And you can see how that sell-off occurred right around the time the Chinese kind of responded. And you can see not only did we pull back to the middle of the trading day, but broke the low and closed basically on the low. So what turned out as a potentially nice bar, a little bounce here, actually a much weaker looking bar going into tomorrow, especially if you look at it here on the hourly chart. So generally speaking, if we keep getting negative news, we're going to keep getting market pressure. So we want to be aware of that and watch if the market responds to more U.S.-China trade talk. Also remember, tomorrow we get FOMC minutes around mid-afternoon tomorrow. Okay? Thanks a lot.